welcome back to my channel. My god, I've been gone for so long and I know you guys are upset and I know you guys probably forgot about me. You guys probably are like, who is she? I don't remember her. But I'm so sorry. I had a lot going on with the studio. The audio was terrible when I tried to shoot a YouTube video. Like, it was not working and I didn't want to put out something that wasn't going to be, if not perfect, then close to it. And it was just not good quality audio for you guys. And if you can't understand what I'm saying or hear clearly what I'm saying, then what is the point of a YouTube video? The problem has been fixed. Yay! So I have zero excuses as to why I can't get on here at least once a week and give you guys a video, because I miss you guys and I love you guys so much, and I don't want you guys to think that I don't care about my subscribers, because that's far from the truth. I love you guys and I literally wanted to post. Today's video is going to be on the $1 makeup challenge. This is the look that I created and I used only products that cost $1. They're all from this website called Shop Miss A, and that website offers a ton of affordable products, from foundation to brushes to sponges to literally anything you can think of, and everything is $1. The only things that are like $10 are like some of the brush sets, but those brush sets come with like 10 brushes, so technically each brush costs you $1. So literally everything on there, it's $1. Not only are they $1, but they're also very, very good quality. I don't know about you guys, but I'm obsessed with this look and I will literally wear this for a night out, a day, and no one will ever know that I use $1 makeup. So if you guys want to know how I got this $1 makeup challenge makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. Since my face is already primed, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into foundation. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the AOA Studio Perfect BB cream, and this is in the shade Tan. This is probably like the first time that I used a CC cream. I usually am not a CC cream or BB cream or any of that. I always need a lot of coverage. So let's see how this works out. It feels very, very hydrating, but I already see that I'm gonna have to go over it again with a second layer. Now I'm just quickly going over that with my beauty blender just to make sure that that is pressed into the skin. Now that I'm done with foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal these under eyes. For concealer today, I'm gonna be using Amuse Cosmetics 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and this is in the shade 01. I'm just gonna apply that in a triangular shape just to brighten up the under eye. Just taking my beauty blender again to just blend that out. Now we gotta go ahead and set this face before it starts to melt off. And for that, I'm gonna be using AOA Studio's Perfect Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Banana. And I'm literally tapping off all the excess powder from the brush, and I'm just gonna tap in whatever's left just to literally get my face to look as smooth as possible. This powder is actually setting my face pretty nice. I was not expecting that. Now that we're finally done with the base, it's time to move on to the eyes. The first eyeshadow palette I'm gonna be going in with is from Amuse Cosmetics, and this is their navy palette. The first shade I'm gonna be going into is this one right here, and I'm just taking a large blending brush. And I'm just gonna start applying that on the crease, and then I'm gonna take it onto the outer V and blend it outwards. This eyeshadow is actually pretty easy to blend for $1 eyeshadow. What? To darken up the crease and the outer V, I'm just gonna be going into this dark gray shade right here. I'm following the same steps. I'm gonna be going first into the crease and then I'm gonna blend it on the outer V. This is just gonna stay a little bit more defined than that first eyeshadow. We did blend it up high, but this one's gonna stay more towards the crease. I'm just gonna add a little bit more just to make it more intense. I'm gonna take that concealer again and I'm just gonna clean up the lid a little bit. So I'm gonna act like I'm creating a cut crease, but I'm not gonna take it past that smoked out outer V because we just worked very hard on that and we don't wanna mess it up. This is just gonna make that eyeshadow that we're gonna apply over it look a lot more intense. And it's also going to give us the illusion of a bigger lid, which I always love. To set that concealer, I'm going to be going in with AOA Studio Wonder eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Neptune. And I'm just going to apply that right over that concealer. Oh my god, we didn't even need the concealer over this. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I'm gonna be going back into this palette and I'm just gonna take this shade right here on a small blending brush. My camera decided to turn off while I was filming this eye. Thank goodness that I did not finish this eye so I can actually show you guys the process. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that dark gray or black shade. I'm not really sure what color that is, but I'm just gonna go over that blue just so we don't see that line. And I'm just gonna keep adding until I get it dark enough. To highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to be going in with AOA Studio Wonder eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Gatsby. To smoke out the lower lash line, I'm going to be going back into that Neptune shade. For falsies today, I'm going to be using AOA Studios Audrey. We are finally done with the eyes. Now it's time to move on to the rest of the face. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using AOA Studios Wonder Baked Highlighter, and this is in the shade Maccaron. So this is a very pretty subtle highlight, but it's definitely buildable. For lips, I'm going to be mixing two shades today. They're both from AOA Studios. One is in the shade Work It, and the other one is in the shade Extra. First, I'm going in with the shade Extra, because I'm extra. Now I'm going in with the shade Work It. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I really hope you guys like this look. I'm obsessed with it, and the fact that all of this is with $1 makeup is beyond me. Like, I was coming into this a little scared. I didn't know what was gonna happen here, but I'm obsessed with the final outcome, and I hope you guys are as well. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any ideas on any videos that you guys would like to see next, then please drop them down in the comments, and I'll see you guys on my next video.